We are at the beach.
I honestly don't know what I am doing for real.
This 2025.
It's 2 o'clock, I saw it running late.
We're there and you're like, sorry, this place is reserved. Yeah, we're supposed to stay.
One because
You just want charge. I just want to use what you have.
he's wicked girl.
Just sad. Hi guys, welcome to another vloggy. Happy New Year guys. Today is January 2nd, 2025. I'm so excited guys. I'm so excited. Today is beach day. I went to the beach with Jane. She didn't want to join my video. I thought that I should come and dress up together. She said no. So she's in that corner doing her thing. Let me show you guys Jane. Her face, wicked girl. So we're going to Alora Beach Resort today guys. We didn't go out for December. We didn't do all those dirty December thing, and we had plans, but things came up. I was having extra classes for my statistics classes because you guys don't know mathematics. But it's good. It's okay. It's all good. I'm trying to lay my edges before I start getting ready, right? So that by the time I'm leaving, it will be like well laid, so I can like tie a scarf on it. It's 2025 and I cannot still lay my edges. I need tutorials. I need help. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos. I still can't learn it. I don't know what I'm doing. I also don't know what I am doing for real. Putting on your white beach long dress, but I don't know which eyeshadow to use. Maybe it's putting in the like entrance of my eye. I'm so bad at makeup. I'm going to leave my makeup this year. Hopefully. So to be something like this. It's so embarrassing. Jane, I swear it's 2 o'clock. So I'm running late. We need to start going. Jane, I'm ready. I am ready. I'm almost done. I don't know if I should leave my hair or if I should tie it up. I'm just going to add new hair moves to my hair.
And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits I sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon. Get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw them. Saw you post the spectacular photo.
So we're on our way to the beach right now. I'm just going to use my iPad and my phone to film. So we need to add everything together. I'm going to be seeing different angles, you guys. So bear with me for now. You guys, so my phone battery is so bad. It's like 69%. Yes, I'm using rubber band because the battery is swelling, so I need to fix it tomorrow. We are at the beach. You guys, this is so packed. So packed. I can't believe it like this because it's like December and it's not December, this is only January. I mean 2025. So guys, we're trying to order food, but like can you even hear it because of the breeze? Did you bring your microphone? We had to change beach. Like, so this is like Labuma Beach, but like other beach resorts inside, right? So the first one we had was like Alora Beach, and then we were there and they were like, sorry, this place is reserved. So where are we supposed to stay? Like, they were like, and their menu is so overpriced. So we now left and we came here. It's called Palace Beach. So we're going to be here. And you guys, I left my charger. My phone is 37%. It's literally going to go up very soon. I'm just sad. I'm sad right now, but I'm also happy because we found like the beach that is not packed. Like, it's so nice. I'm so happy. So excited because I want to try Jane's chips. I want food is ready, but mine is not ready. Sorry. Guys, I'm not filming on my iPad because my phone is 20 7% and it's definitely going to go up soon. I'm waiting for my food. I finished my drink before my drink came. It's because I'm looking there, that's why they're thinking of feeling me. And we just want charger, I just want to use what you have. Okay, so while I wait for my food, I'm going to be doing what's in my bag. This is my bag. So yeah, give us where we're coming. Whatever. Wait 30 cities entrance fee, guys. Have this. Cost no money. Junior, you're oppressing my vlog. I have my sunscreen, guys. I have this in case, just in case. I have this little Vaseline on my lips, and then lip gloss. My lip liner is almost finished. Then, of course, the goat of all the lip gloss. I have this for my edges, guys. Nobody must see this. I think I'm crazy. And then my room key. That's all. And my sunglasses. But it's not in my bag. Waiting for my food. It's taking too much time. Carry your chicken on my screen. So finally, my pizza is here. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's so nice. It smells so good. Let's take a picture. Pepperoni. I have to judge this pizza. If it's so bad, you'll see me in this place. Nice. It's salty. 7 or 6.5 because it has not beaten that pizza, that marina was minus 0.5. Hey guys, the bill is here. 220 cedis, that's 20k in naira, I guess.
See that sexy girl from Ghana. She too fine, one of a kind, I call her sexy nana. Yeah,
it's picture time.
Yeah, she kill him inside, I can't deny her. Yeah. Cupid drop it.
You guys were done with going.
Hi guys, so I was editing and I found out that I did not put like an outro saying please like, subscribe and share. Please like, subscribe, don't forget to share. Thank you. See you in my next video.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching my vlog.